Hello everyone, welcome to the Tech Guy Hub, and today I'll be talking about how to check your internet bundle balance or your data balance on AirtelTigo. So if you are in on how to check your data balance on AirtelTigo or AT Ghana, then this video is for you. So open your dialer and dial the USSD code *504#. So dial this code and an SMS will be sent to you containing your remaining balance, your remaining data balance or internet bundle balance. Yeah. So that's how easy and simple it is. So if you find this video useful and helpful, then don't forget that I have a playlist for you. That's the Airtel to Go playlist. You can check it out in the description below and enjoy more Airtel to Go content. Yeah. So if you find this video useful and helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon, and also give a sweet comment. Okay, so see you in the next video.